Cek satu. Lanjut guys di channel Bang Mamet Bray. Kita main GTA lagi guys. Pakai karakter si Michael guys nih. Lanjut yang video berikutnya nih. Lanjut misi.
I tried, Trevor!
What's going on, Ron?
They were here for you. Here for you.
Who was here?
Them bikers. After you killed Johnny K.
And they damage my stuff, huh? They smash up my home, damage my soul. This statue here of impotent rage, this fucking meant more to me than Johnny K meant to anyone, and they smashed it. Those pathetic midlife crisis, hog-riding, shaven-headed, fruity leather, chapped-wearing fucking assholes.
They're assholes, Trevor. They are. They're chapped-wearing assholes.
Wait, you little shit. Whoa. Hey, Michael fucking Townley, right? Bitch wife, 2 kids, 45. Find them?
Los Santos is a big place, Trevor. There's lots of people.
You are fucking useless. Huh? Find out who did that fucking robbery, all right? And if Michael Townley lives there, or anyone matching his description, I'm gonna kill you and your fucking cousin. Am I being clear now?
Yes, Trevor.
Sambil ngopi guys.
Thank you. Wait. Now smile. Yeah, right? That's better. Run along. Now, Ron, shall we go? I cannot believe that they fucking destroyed my statue of impotent rage. The cheek! Huh? The fucking cheek of it. I gotta make a stop at ammunition. You're meeting me at the Lost MC's airfield.
Duh, pakai motor guys. Let's go.
Come in!
I'll come into your ear when I get a hold of you.
Oh, what are you buying at the gun shop?
I'm not buying anything. I need a sniper rifle with a high-powered scope. They say they support local business. Well, we're about to find out if that's true.
Guys.
Melvin,
beli
how you
senjata
feel
dulu,
about
guys.
brand synergy, huh? TP Industries. That's the rifle I need. She'll do nicely. Now I need a scope and a suppressor. It'll be quiet as a mouse. All right, now stop selling weapons to that half-wit Cletus.
Nah, sudah. Jadi disuruh beli dulu sniper, guys. Kayaknya mau jadi penembak jitu nih.
Run! Run, I got the gun. Meet me at the water tower just north of the airfield.
Roger that, Trevor. But you gotta look out, because there's bikers all over this airstrip.
Of course there are! 2 planes are touching down at the field on a weapons run. We're gonna wait till the right time and appropriate them.
I'm up here. I don't see the hardware, but I do see a hell of a lot
Untuk
of bikers.
camping ntar, guys.
Hardware's not here yet.
Oh, naik ke
Coming
sini,
up.
guys. Naik ke tower.
We gotta wait till you can slip in there unnoticed. Should give you the
Nah,
time to plan a route to the gas tank you're rigging up to blow. Enough waiting. This is your moment, Ronald. Whenever you get a doubt in your mind, I want you to remember that I'm watching you through the scope of a high-powered rifle.
Right, Trevor.
The ATV can only take you so far. Park it and don't let them spot you.
Can you see me, Trevor? Here, by the road. Over by the road.
You wouldn't believe this, Ron. One of these assholes is having a seizure or something.
That's me. That's me. Don't shoot.
Well,
Oh,
get a
no
move
shit.
on.
I'm moving. Just keep me covered, okay?
Mana alarmnya ya?
They got a guard at the bottom of those steps, under the control tower. There! There's a guy there, Trevor!
Guy? What guy?
Right there! Can you see him?
My vision is failing me.
This isn't a good time for that!
A man, you say?
Get him, Trevor! Please! He's right over there! There! He's gonna kill me, Trevor! He's there! He's gonna kill Trevor!
You're walking like you shat yourself. Move!
You hear that? I can hear an engine! They'll see that body! Maybe if you shoot those lights on the tower, it won't be so obvious! Please, just get him out! You got him! Now don't shoot the guy in the van until he stops and gets out.
Susah anjay. Oh, disuruhin apa namanya, matiin lampu. Nah, baru bunuh ini.
I think he's just calling the dead guy. You can erase him now. He's out of the van now. Do him.
If the man wants to pay his respects, I ain't one to cut that short.
Don't joke. He's right there. You should have seen the look on his face. There's a guy coming out of the control tower. Take him out. Shit. You gonna take him?
Oh, ini.
He's gonna see us.
Aduh, nggak mau diem.
He's gotta go. This ain't a joke. He's gotta go.
Woo! Down he
Hampir
goes.
aja guys.
Oh no! Bottom of the tower. Another guy's on his way. He's down there, amongst the bodies.
Okay, I'll get to him.
Clean shot, Trev. There's another guy at the top of the tower. He's probably looking for his buddy. He found him! Take him out, or he'll trip the alarm!
And they all came tumbling down.
Can you get your sights back on me? Come on, man! Come on, man! Cover me!
You're in my crosshairs again. And there's no one left to kill, so get over to that gas tank and plant the bomb.
I'm on it, but there's a guy coming out of that building, I think. I can hear him. Someone's coming out the far door, man!
Wah, ini ada lagi nih.
Shoot! The guy had a buddy in the building! He's come out! He's seen it! Smoke him, or he'll get the others!
Mati dia.
Kill, Trevor! I'm fixing it! Don't let him sneak up on me, okay? And whatever you do, don't hit the tank! Please, man! Someone's coming! He's gonna get me before I finish! A bolt from the blue! Can you hear that?
Aduh, ada helikopter
Chopper!
guys.
Incoming!
Always hated that chopper. Just fucking drive. You're bikers.
It's looking for us, T! We ain't gonna get them guns when they got tactical superiority!
If I hit the chopper, everyone's gonna know we're here.
Try and hit the pilot when he's settled! They might think he crashed! Might they?
They might.
Halangin ya. Nah, kena dia. Wah, rolling helikopternya guys. Baru maju.
The pilot plan didn't work, but they know they're being attacked!
You ain't going nowhere.
Clip! Motherfucker! Plane's in that hangar, man! I'll get the engine running, if you can clear the runway! I don't see none of the guys who came to your trailer here!
One dead biker is as good to me as another.
Main ke sini.
You got no way out, bitch.
Get back now!
Watch out! You got nowhere to go.
Make your peace, gentlemen! Eat it, motherfucker! Boss, take cover! Fucking punk!
I think I saw a man burn his bowels!
Happens to the best of us. Now start that plane. A man's home is sacred!
We got a man hit.
Come on, man! Get in the plane!
Kapal guys.
Load up with crates, Trevor. Just like you said.
Get me to that... Let's go, Ronald! Everybody give!
Bikers on the left of us!
Get me to my plane, Rod!
Watch our right side!
Come on! Let's go! Let's go! one free, you permit chop pricks!
Nah, ekornya loncat.
Suppose there's room for a passenger?
Find a clear path of runway and take off.
The guy who's taking receipt of these guns is in a boat just off the coast.
Hey, there's a biker on your wing, Trevor.
I am aware of this.
Well, you gotta get him off. Do a roll or something.
While the man on my wing presents no immediate danger, I'll do my best to oblige you.
He ain't letting go, is he? So, who might this buyer be?
There's only two places this kind of... I told my contact to meet us just off the coast.
Oh, there he goes.
Finally, I feel safe.
So, who might this buyer be?
There's only two places this kind of hardware is gonna go.
And they are?
Up north to our Canadian cousins, where the lost were likely to be sending them. Or our other neighbors, those in the south, our Mexican brethren.
I assume you got all kinds of connections in Canada.
Why would you make an assumption like that?
It's obvious.
Why is it obvious? Spell it out for me before I order you to fly that plane into a mountain.
Because of where you used to operate. Weren't you pulling scores in North Yankton and running cargo over the border?
Oh. Yeah, sure I was.
Wow.
There's a flare in the water. I'm guessing it's them.
That's him. Let's do it.
Port Sancudo coming up. If we fly low, we ain't gonna show up on military radar.
Di sini dekat pangkalan militer dengan pelabuhan radar, dengan radar.
They got him!
Shipment successfully delivered, Ron. Now remember, if you beat me to the airstrip, I'll butcher your... Now remember, if you beat me to the airstrip, I'll butcher your carcass and wrap you in cheesecloth.
You wouldn't really do that to me, would you?
Beat me and you'll see.
I ain't a trained Air Force pilot like you. I can just about get where I'm going, but I don't got much choice over whether it's fast or slow.
Then get better at it, or fly through a barn.
Would a barn slow me down?
Yeah, it might do. Or it might kill you instead.
I'm just gonna fly normal, and I'll rely on you getting there quicker.
You're braver than I thought.
Keep low, over the swamp, boss. So the guns are going to Mexico?
Mexico! Yeah, guy in the boat is Oscar Guzman. He's in with the cartels.
If there's a market, this could be a way to expand the business.
Like I hadn't thought of that. We might be able to buy into Oscar's thing, but leave that to me, Ron.
I'm sorry to ask this, but does your contact pay well for this kind of shipment? Because I've got those lawyer fees for the divorce and my settlement costs.
Oh, he pays. Better than any in this sorry country.
That's good to hear, man.
We'll talk about the exact split when we're grounded, okay?
All right, T.
Nah, sini bisa matiin kapalnya, guys.
You see, Trevor? You won. You're the better man. As if there was any doubt.
Nah, dari sini aku dimasukin garasi. Ya.
I think that was adequate restitution for my impotent rage statue.
That was a mighty fine statue, Trev.
That was a mighty fine piece of plastic shit. But there is no price for emotional attachment. I mean, you might forego your cut to alleviate my heartache.
I might? Yeah, I mean, I will. Good idea.
We don't have time to dwell on that now, because we got more runs, Ron. If there is one thing that they need south of that big fence, it is guns.
Trevor Phillips Industries! Technical expertise, managerial innovations, unstoppable!
Oh, that's right. Now go. I need to meditate. Or masturbate. Or both.
Nah, kebuka nih garasi-garasinya, guys. Nah, pada kebuka nih. Smoke underwater. Kayak gitar hero ya, guys. Smoke underwater. Mission passed. Save dulu guys, save.